Okay, so I'm recording again. I cleaned a lot of roots. I've been here for a long time. I actually had to go get some cones, safety cones, because my van almost got hit. You know, just very hard to get to the spot because it's all the way by the street and stuff. So there's not much room at all. Anyways, I cleaned a lot of roots, and this is going upwards. So I'm going towards the apartments. It's looking really good. Okay, nice. So this is basically up the apartments. It's all cleaned out, and it goes into a large pipe. So I got a lot of roots out of here, and I'm going to go back down. There's still some roots in the drain, but not too bad now. Just a minor amount compared to what was in there. I got, I don't know, maybe a few pounds, about 5 pounds maybe of roots. A lot of roots. It's looking good now. See, there's still little clumps here and there, but nothing to worry about right there. Just needs to be cleaned out once a year. That way it doesn't back up and get worse, you know. Because if you don't clean it once a year, it gets out of hand. It probably hasn't been cleaned for years, so it was in bad shape, you know. So I'm pulling it out. There's still some roots here in this path. I honed it back up and forth a lot. So the roots, some of these roots you can't get because they move out of the way like a curtain, you know. When my blade passes it, it won't catch it. So I ran it back and forth a lot of times through this area. A lot of times. And it's actually just a small little section right there, but it's okay. It's a large pipe, it's an 8-inch pipe, and that's just laying on one of the top sections of the piping. But it'd be best to put some foaming root killer in there, and I'll give you some info on that later. You should put some foaming root killer, at least 2 cans. Very important to do that by maybe tomorrow or within 48 hours after the cleaning's done. So within 2 days you get that foaming root killer in there. Very important. Okay, now I'm going to scope it downwards towards the street because it looks really good there now. Very good. It's very good news. Okay. No, just leave it where it was. Actually, that was going down. That was going down. Sorry, that was going down into the street. This one's going up. Long day and I'm tired, so anyways, we're going up now, okay? That was downwards. That was into the street. That was really bad before. That was the worst section, really, that I just showed you. And this part should be pretty clean now, too. There was roots going both ways, a lot of roots. I wasn't able to pass it with my camera at all, and actually water was backing up into the drain. So I honed it back and forth a lot of times. So there's a little section of roots. Like I said, nothing to worry about in that area. This is not too much. But definitely needs 2 cans of foaming root killer. That way it helps a lot. So it slows down the root growth until next year's cleaning. Very important to clean it once a year. I'll say that again. It keeps cutting out, I don't know why. It's okay though. Yeah, I got a lot of roots out of here because I wasn't able to go past 20 feet. Now I'm able to go I'm all the way, I went up all the way the hill, you know, about 100 feet out I ran it. Up the hill, so I ran it 100 feet up. So that was great. Honed it back a lot of times. Nice, looking good, really good. It's really good news. Very good. little spot in the pipe right there, a little belly. It's okay. So anyways, we're at the top. I can't push it no more. I'm about 100 feet up the hill now. So once a year it needs to be cleaned out from up the hill down, from 2 different areas. It needs to be cleaned out where the apartments are, where the cleanout is. It also needs to be cleaned out from below, down here in the cleanouts. Very important to do both, okay? Some people are running a bath or something. I don't know. There's a lot of water coming out of there now. You can hear it raining really good. See, people are using a lot of people are using the apartments, you know, bathtubs or whatever. They wash laundry, or I'm not sure, but there's a lot of water coming out of there. Okay. So, looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. I don't want to make a long video, so we're good, okay? Where are we at? Let me have a light. Turn the light.